Alright guys, so of course the most important question is what oil do I use and why do I use it? Basically, per my research, I believe that liquid moly is one of the greatest oils you can put in your motor. There's a whole video I did on why I think that way. I can put it in the description below. But yeah, in my opinion, per my research, liquid moly is one of the best oils on the market. There are other oils that are as good, don't get me wrong, but I just like liquid moly. I'll link the parts store that I get it from. Pretty decent price on it as well, pretty cheap actually. And then for the filter, I use this VIX filter, extended performance for full synthetic oils. There's a part number for you. I'll also link that in the description for you. So yeah, this is the parts. Just a little below 7 quarts, but yeah, let's get the oil out, put the new one in. Alright, very minimal tools required. 17 mil socket, oil filter socket, and I don't have the right socket for this, so I just use the adjustable wrench for that. So I'm gonna drop the oil first, then I'll do the oil filter. So while the oil draining, I like to change out my oil filter. Another super important routine I forgot to show you guys that I do. Every oil change, I inspect my oil filter for oil shavings. You know, that oil shavings caught in your filter would not be good news. Could be a sign of all kinds of like rod bearings problems going worn out. So every time I some people cut it open, but I just kind of trying to prop that, see inside. I don't see any oil shavings. Alright guys, so I use one of these freaking, I don't even know what it's called, suction things. They're like $2 at Walmart or something. And then one of my old oil jars, and then carefully suck this old oil out of there. Alright, I think I'm happy with that. Gonna swap out the gasket. Two of them, little one and the big one, and the drain plug gasket, copper. Everything else is trash. Get this old gasket off. I use a little flathead. This one was a little more pain. Not too bad though. Alright, that one is on. And then the second one should be easier. is on. Now the drain plug. That one just folds off. Easy. New one goes on. Looks like that. Alright, drain plug with the new copper gasket is going back in. So be careful guys, this is aluminum pan, you don't want to over tighten. So what I do, just enough to kind of crash that gasket. It has to get a little bit smooshed, right? So of course you can look up the torque spec on it and get your torque wrench out, but honestly that's just too much guys. So what I do when it gets tight, and I do just a hair, and that's it. Boom. What you guys don't want to do is to overfill your car with oil either. You shouldn't, but you know, as long as you follow the manufacturer recommended 6.9, you shouldn't overfill it, right? But I like always to be safe than sorry. So we're gonna fire her up. Let it warm up, then we check the oil. Alright, so the oil measurement is finished and it is up to a max. Already to reset the service interval for the oil. What you want to do is you want to press your start until the accessory comes on, and you gotta wait until the service indicator goes off like that, and then you want to press this button and hold it until the washer fluid warning messed me up. But yeah, so until your service intervals come on, and then you let it go, and then to cycle through you press once. So brake fluid, I'm not gonna do it, so I'm gonna press and hold. Reset, yes. Press and hold again. Hold it. I think I missed it. There you go, press and hold again. There you go, resetting and process. So it's a little finicky sometimes, just play with it. Done. Brake fluid reset. Now keep cycling. This technically was not due until June, so I'm gonna reset it anyway because it says reset possible. Let it go. Reset question mark, yes. Press and hold. Reset in progress. Reset successful, done. So not until like 5:24, which I'm not gonna wait that long obviously. And that's it.